Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're gonna do a valid AK detail on this Mini Cooper. Starting off with the wheel pre-wash using an iron remover, and I'm reutilizing Bill Hambert's bottle. This is actually Dragon's Blood. 25 pound per 5 liter, quite available, quite cheap iron remover from Amazon. Works quite good. For the wheel arches, wheels themselves, and the tires, I'm going to use one of my favorite wheel and tire cleaners. This is Otterbrite Direct Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and also I'm going to use it through a Quasar double action pump spray. Works really well. What I like about this wheel and tire cleaner is that the glossifying agents in this chemical are very, very good. It leaves the wheels very nice and shiny. I'm a man of simple taste, and here I'm using the Hamburg Touchless, arguably one of the best pre-washes out there. I've topped it up, put quite a lot of it. I put about 200 ml for this small bottle, but it works quite well. The car isn't that much contaminated, so we don't really need to use a traffic film remover on the lower end of the car. Some nice snow foam shots here. However, Build Hamburg Touchless does not really want to be foamy for a long time, but nonetheless, the cleaning power of this chemical is very impressive. Recently, I started paying a lot more attention on the pre-wash. I kind of started working slower, especially on the seals, on the edges of the car. I really want to get rid of that soil or whatever it is hidden in these trapped spots of the car. So I'm taking my time with this, as well as on the visible parts of the vehicle, like the paint. We want to get rid of as much of that dirt as possible. Bill Hamburg Touches already has softened the dirt up for us, so it's easier to knock it off. And basically, will make our contact wash very pleasant and more effective. So I'm using my foldable bucket that I got from my Works Hydro Shot set, and I'm using the Wash Plus here. I could have used any kind of soap, to be honest, as long as it's a decon soap. And I'm using 4 mitts. I'm not gonna dunk him back in this little bucket, don't worry. And I'm also gonna use a clay mitt here. The clay mitt will be rinsed before dunking it back in the bucket. However, these bad boys, these wash mitts, are not gonna go back. They're simply going to be put in the bag and headed over to the washing machine. Now the car is very, very clean. To be honest, I didn't have to do a lot really in terms of clay barring it, so this was pretty easy and quick. Now I'm first going to dry the car using the microfiber drying towel, and then for all the hidden water spots we're going to use a small leaf blower. The water. And now we're going to do a quick express polish and wax. Now, one-step polish and wax is a big win-win for me because it's quick, it improves gloss and shine, and it's relatively easy to do. So it brings a lot of value to me and my client. So here I'm using a quick detailer from Koch Chemi, but pretty much any quick detailer will suffice. Now, a quick detailer will do a few things for us here. First of all, if there is any polish residue left behind, it will remove it and leave a nice glossy finish behind. Second of all, as you can see, this car has a lot of black matte trim. It will condition it, leave a matte, even look to it. If there are any smudges on the glossy trim, it will also clean that and leave a form of protection behind. So this needs to be done to achieve this final showroom look. Now here I'm using the window cleaner to finish off the windows. I'm very thorough with the windows and I leave them for last just to make sure I don't get any streaks. So now we move down to the interior. First things I do, I wipe down the door jambs. Then I'm going to vacuum the hell out of the car. Then I'm going to do a panel wipe down and finish the interior with the windows. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.